Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Coolant Reservoir Tank. This coolant reservoir tank is specifically for various Freightliner tractor trucks, such as the Cascadia, Century Class, Columbia, Coronado, FLD120SD, M2 106, and M2 112. The years for this application do vary, but most commonly fit 2008 to 2019 Freightliners. What the coolant reservoir tank does is it contains coolant fluid that is discharged from the cooling system attached to the engine. As pressure builds up, coolant flows through the engine and the radiator at a fast pace, and it needs the additional coolant located here. When the engine cools down, pressure is released and the excess fluid flows back into the various areas of the cooling system. There are a few reasons why you may need a new coolant reservoir tank like this, with the most common being the old one was cracked or damaged physically, either in an accident or over time they can get weak and break. Next, if you're experiencing any coolant leaks, a low level of coolant, or overheating, this is a great place to start looking for that necessary repair. This replacement coolant reservoir tank has the same OEM fit as a genuine part, thanks to the factory mounting locations, along with the OEM electrical connector. However, this one actually includes two new 15 psi reservoir caps, and the entire piece is made from high-grade plastic materials for a longer life. If you have any questions about this replacement coolant reservoir tank, including if it fits your truck, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.